Hello from everybody. Eid Mubarak. I hope you guys are doing well. And so today, my brothers, yesterday actually, my brothers got a play set of birthday play set. So yeah, let me go and get it. Okay, here you go, guys.
Where is scissors?
Here you go.
And
Okay.
so let me
So open it up. Is it that hard?
Yeah, it's very high. Oh, it's open.
Okay, take out the tray.
Yes.
Oh, it's open.
Let me take it out. Wait.
Wait, take out the tray first.
Yeah.
Let me help you.
Yeah, help.
I'm gonna just take out the tray.
Wait, I need
Wait,
scissors.
can you hold? Oh yeah, look through. Yeah, you didn't cut it all through.
Oh.
Let's just take scissors.
Well.
The thing is cut.
Oh, did you open?
Yeah, I think it's open. Let's take out the tray now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really stuck in there. Look at this packaging on here.
Yeah, wow. Wow, did you open? Yeah.
There you go.
Here is your food. Oh, now.
So what do we have?
Oh, it's that open. Oh, this is
Oh, it
I
can
will
open.
show you for this burger. See?
So what do we have in a burger?
Bun,
We have bun,
lettuce,
what else?
and let me.
Ooh,
and
tomatoes.
tomato.
Ooh, look, there are 3 tomatoes. Cheese, Rohan's favorite.
Yes. And
We have no meat.
and one more.
Oh, one more lettuce.
More lettuce
And the
and
bottom bun.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like a donut, right?
This part is kind of like a donut.
Yeah.
Okay, what else do we have?
Yeah, we have some totes. Yeah,
Oh, cookies box.
Wait. It's not inside.
Oh, it's
But it's good. And we have a soda.
Ooh.
Oh, it's open.
Oh, that's nice, right? Oh, mine is eating some fries.
And yeah, we also have some fries.
Wow.
We also have this fries. See? It's also see, wow. Ketchup. And, yeah, ketchup.
Oh.
And waffles. And some waffles.
Oh, we have 2 waffles, heart-shaped waffles,
Yeah,
and a green plate.
and
we
we
have-
have a spoon,
Spoon,
fork,
fork.
and knife.
Oh, we have all 3 cutlery.
And we have big tray.
Oh, to put everything in.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, can you show me how to make a burger?
Yeah, sure. So now let me open this. Now let
Our little sister is hungry, so make her some burger.
yeah. So first let me take
Bottom one.
bottom bun. This one.
This is the top one.
Oh yeah, this is bottom bun. And let me put some beef
Okay.
and the salad and cheese
You can customize it as you like.
and
Tomato,
one tomato and
the bottom, top one.
yeah, yummy. I just want to put one, not 2.
Oh, so we can customize it by ourselves.
Yeah,
I thought we need to put all of them. Look at the burger.
And let me make fries for her.
Let's put this in the tree.
Yeah.
Now make the fry. Oh.
Wow. That's fries, her fries. And that's her toast.
Let's take that out of the scene. She wants some ketchup. She loves ketchup.
Yeah, she loves ketchup.
And some
some waffles.
Which kind of looks like pancakes.
Yeah, and let me put
Cutlery.
and
Some
salt
cutleries.
and this knife. Here you go. Oh, I forgot. She also need this biscuits.
Ooh.
Let me put this here.
Okay, show me.
Sure.
Turn it around. Look at that.
Yummy.
Wow.
Here you go.
Oh! Oh! Myra, eat the burger.
Eat the burger.
Eat the burger.
Eat the burger. It's okay. Eat the
Leave that. Leave that. Eat the burger.
Eat the burger.
Yes, eat. Eat.
Oh! Eat french fries.
Eat the French fries.
Well done.
Oh.
Well done. She will get one.
Oh my God.
And eat waffle, and lean some toast.
Okay, tell me, Rayan and Rohan, how do you like this place then?
Yeah, I really like if we can make ourselves. We
can make our own burger.
Yeah. We don't need like salad. We don't need
Cheese.
Yeah. And if we don't need tomato, so we will not put tomato. I really love this.
How much will you rate the whole thing?
10 out of 10.
Oh, and you?
10. See, it's also open.
Yeah, actually we were not expecting that this to open and we can assemble and disassemble
Yeah.
this.
I thought it was like magnet one. Like this.
Oh, really?
We will start with magnet, but it's not magnet one. Hope you like this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so you never miss our any video. Bye.